I've cleaned hundreds of hacked WordPress sites. Here's a step-by-step method to remove malware and secure your site for good. First, let's check if your website is really infected. Visit Google's Safe Browsing Site status and enter your website URL. If you see a warning like this on Google's Safe Browsing check, it means your site has been hacked or infected with malware, and you need to fix it immediately. Or if you don't see, you should check it because it can be an undetectable malware or virus, which is more dangerous and coded with more hard encryption. That's why Google can't detect it. So, what you have to do right now is follow me. First of all, you need the WordFence extension. Don't use the free version, and I will give you the premium version for free, of course, which is cleaned by our professional team. So, there is no risk for malware like other shit plugin websites. All you have to do is joining our Telegram community. We share an insane amount of value there. Link in the description.
Okay, great. Now click on install. It will install the plugin for your WordPress. It may take some time, so wait and relax. Boom! We are done. Now click on the activate plugin. Great. We have successfully activated the plugin for our website. Now follow the steps. Click on review here. Click on agree. We are done. And yeah, we are using the premium version of WordFence. You can get it from our Telegram channel. Now let's scan your website. Click on scan. And right now, just follow the steps I do. Now, if you want a simple one-click scan, then just click on the Start Scan button, and you must do it at first. It will check every single directory and files in your WordPress. Also, there is no hassle. You have to wait some minutes for getting the final result. Alright, now let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in WordFence Custom Scan. This feature allows you to take full control over how your WordPress site is scanned for malware, vulnerabilities, and suspicious activity. By default, WordFence performs a standard security scan, but with Custom Scan, you can fine-tune it based on your needs. Let's go over some key settings you should enable. First, if you suspect malware, enable high sensitivity to detect deeply hidden threats. Also, turn on Scan for backdoors. This helps find malicious scripts that hackers use to regain access to your site. Once you've customized your scan settings, just hit Save Changes, and WordFence will do its magic. Depending on your site size, this may take a few minutes, but trust me, it's worth it. So, how was it? Easy, right? Keep your eyes for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to share this valuable insight with your WordPress community. Also, join our Telegram channel for more insane values and giveaway campaigns. Thank you.